Now let us look at the employer zone section. If any employer or any recruiter who is looking for relevant people, they can come here and post a job. Click over post a job. Then it will again take you to the login page. We have to first log in, then only we can start putting your job details. So let us first sign in. Just click over this sign in button and you can come to this username and create account page. Here if you have already created your page, you can sign in here. Okay, as I have already created, then I put in my username and password here, and once I am logged, then we can start creating job details. For example, first we have to put in job title, for example a 3D piping modeler. Okay, then whether it is on-site, remote, location we can share here. Then job title, job type, whether it is a full-time, graduate, internship, part-time, temporary. Okay, so this kind of job type we can fill in here. Then job description, JD, this is the most important section where we have to share all the job requirements. Then applicant contact, if any recruiter wants to directly get all these CVs to their email account, they can share here. I have no issue. You just put in your email ID here or your website, it will be directed directly to your website. Okay, then company name, for example ABC consultant or anything you can put in. Then your website, tagline if any, Twitter name, Facebook, Instagram logo, anything you want to share with the candidates you can add here. Then just preview and update, and this job will be posted. Okay, for example I have just posted one job, sample job, and then you can go to job dashboard and you can see what kind of jobs you have posted. Okay, this is the name and this will be available here. So status will also be here. If any of the job applicant who have already created their profile on this platform, they want to apply, just go to apply jobs. Okay, you can search all the jobs which have been published on this platform. For example this is published one, and once you click over this, okay, the job details will come here. And if you want to apply, okay, you can, if like in this case I have shared my email ID, so that any user who want to apply, they can directly send their CV to their to this email ID. Whatever recruiter has shared this email ID or website, it will be shown here to the applicants. So this is just a direct communication between job applicants and recruiters. Okay, once otherwise there, if job applicant has created their profile, then they can directly apply with their profile along with the CV. So I would really recommend, if you uh, can create your profile, this will be really better. If you go into account section, you can create your profile and fill in your details, so that the recruiter can see whatever information you want to share with them along with your CV. Just view profile and you can create. Okay, I just showed you, this is the basic details which is already available. If you come to edit profile, okay, these are a few of the things which you can mention here: your photo, your biography, your small description of your career, then your name, okay, last name, your date of birth, male, female, country. Okay, you can share your LinkedIn profile, your mobile number. Okay, your account type, it will be also shown there. Then how much experience is there, latest CV you can upload, software proficiency, whether you have graduated or not, your highest qualification, your particular discipline, and update profile. Once you submit this profile, this will be saved in your account. Okay, once a recruiter post their jobs here, they can see if you apply using apply button, this profile will be shared with the recruiters. Otherwise your profile will not be shared until unless you click over the apply button for their jobs which they have already posted on this platform. So from that point of view, your details are safe, and once you apply to any job, then only your details will be shared. So once this is done, then you can simply come out And you can check once you apply or once you post any job, you can check in your account all the details, like whatever jobs you have applied, it will be reflecting here, okay, in account section and profile section. So you can see all these details. This will be your own account, how many posts you have posted, you have created on this platform, how many comments you have made, and how many jobs you have posted or you have applied. So this will be shown in under this account section. So this is how you can utilize this job section. You can post jobs and you can apply jobs for free.